Okay, so in the last video, we were dipping our feet in some waters. Uncharted waters. I've used other 4-track cassette recorders, but never one this old. The Porta One. And it showed. I made some mistakes. There were errors. It was a disaster. I love my horse. I love my horse. And unfortunately, lots of you watched it. But you guys gave me lots of good tips, and so we're going to incorporate the knowledge of the people of the community into this video. We're going to correct these mistakes. We're going to make the best song of all time. Let's go. Okay, tip number 1, get a Type 2 tape. It turns out that the Chikorita tape actually is a Type 2. I looked it up, but it still sounds terrible, so we're going to try a different tape today. I'm going to use a Sony high bias tape. It looks to be in slightly better condition than the Marilisa mixtape. Okay, tip number 2, retension the tape. I'm going to fast forward this tape all the way to the end and rewind it all the way back. Going to get that tape nice and tight in prime recording condition while we're waiting for that. I found this tape at Goodwill. It says, North Carolina is my home. I was excited until I opened it. It's an unmarked VHS with a piece of duct tape on it that says Radio Shack. Let's see what the Goodwill gods have given us today.
That would be Mr. Gary Bell, our service manager.
Hot damn, that's Gary Bell, the service manager. Boys, we've been transported into a Radio Shack in 1983. What a beautiful selection they have. We'll let this play in the background, but we got some recording to do. I think I'm going to start off with the bass first. Okay, we're going to record on track 1. I'm going to arm this track. Get everything nice and normal. Little stink on the bass with the trim. Get this counter reset. Let's plug in here. I think I've done everything correctly. Okay, I know it's in the red. I want it to be in the red. I want to blow this baby up. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I got a little click track in my AirPods, and we're just gonna start recording, so let's go for it. Okay, let's see if we recorded that properly. It's sounding recorded. All right, we haven't messed up yet. We got to keep it up. Next tip, we got to listen with the tape cue. Okay, we can't listen over here. We need to listen through here. But the tape cue only comes out through the headphones. So we gotta listen through headphones and play along. Okay, we plugged in our headphones. We're gonna move this to track 2. I think I got it set up right. Okay, let's see if I recorded it right. I'm gonna solo each track and see if I double track the bass. Look at that! We got the bass here. Check this out. Got a little mic stand. We're evolving. Nothing can stop us. Put this down facing the drums. Let's record. Safe. Armed. Armed. I think I've done everything correctly. Shit! Let's try some vocals next. Safe. 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 Armed. Armed. Okay, so for the lyrics, we're working with, is it so wrong to drive your car through the Walmart? This is just a hypothetical. Hit it 50 miles an hour. Hey, women and children, get out of the way. I'm driving here. I just want to drive down Walmart. Walmart Lane, as they call it. I just want to take a trip down Walmart Lane. Oranges, apples just all over the windshield of my car. Just total chaos. But of course, no one's harmed. This is just a hypothetical. Is it so wrong to drive your car through the Walmart, inside of Walmart? And then for the chorus, you know, sending my wife away on a train. I don't want her to be involved in this crime. I just want to drive through Walmart. I don't want to involve my wife. And so I sent her off on a train. She'll be better off this way. I sent her off on a train. Pray to God she's okay. Okay, so this is the part of the process where I start getting a little bit tired and I just kind of just want to finish, and I'm sick of it. I need to get out of here. The further I get, the less I repent. Can barely feel the sin. Do you know what I feel within? I sent her off on a train. She'll be better off that way. Hey, we got another crappy song in the bag. Let's go. We recorded this one better. Okay, I didn't make as many mistakes, but the song, I don't know. It doesn't have the energy. Kind of reminds me of like the 90s band, The Magnetic Fields. Only I love The Magnetic Fields, and this is trash. Anyway, we're going to play the full song. Thank you for joining me in my laundry room. And I hope you guys have a good week, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Is it so wrong to drive your car through the Walmart, inside of Walmart? I sent her off on a train. She'll be better off that way. The further I get, the less I repent.